Naughton here for the Chord Academy. Thanks for tuning in to 12 easy ways to play G major. Please hit the like and subscribe button and the little notification bell so you don't miss any in this series. What we're going to do right now is we're going to take the G major chord, which is G, B, and D. We're going to break it down to 3 little strings so you can play them all over the neck and not get stuck in one spot. We're going to skip most of the theory and all that stuff, and we're just going to hop right into it. So make sure that if you want to download the chord charts and things for it, I've got those for free. Just check out the links below, and let's get busy here. Okay, so to start off, we're going to hit the top 3 strings here. Of course, there's a lot more ways you could play these, but just to keep it simple, we're only going to do 12 ways to play right now. Okay, it doesn't matter what you do with the right hand or whatever picking hand you're using. So we're going to go 3rd fret, 3rd fret, 4th fret. Okay. And I'm barring, so you can get used to barring on the first finger, 3rd fret there, so over the string 1 and 2, and then just sort of use that joint to go like this with it and keep it flat. Then use the 2nd finger there over the top of it. To give you a guide note to find the next one, you just go up, take the bottom note that you just played and find the octave, which is going up 3 frets, and then skip a string. And this will give you a guide note right here for the next version of that chord, which is 7, 8, and 7 as far as the frets go from the 1st to the 3rd string. And you've got 2nd finger, 3rd finger, 1st finger from string 1 to string 2 to string 3. Okay, then go up an octave here. So 3 frets up, skip a string. You can do whatever finger you want for this one, but it's going to be 10, 12, and 12. My intonation's a little off there, so sorry if it's annoying. Okay, so that's these 3 strings are done. Now let's go to strings 2, 3, and 4. Okay, let's do strings 2, 3, and 4. You're going to have the 3rd, 4th, and 5th frets with the 1st, 2nd, and 3rd fingers. Then again, guide note, up, go to the bottom note of that chord, find its octave there at that G, and go up 1, 2, 3 frets, skip a string. There's going to be a guide note right here for this version, which is fret 8, 7, and 9. Fingers 2, 1, and 3. Then this is going to become the new guide note. And this is where you can bar it here up at the 12th fret on the 2nd, 3rd, and 4th strings. And that's your bar. Okay, now we're moving to the 3rd, 4th, and 5th strings. We're going back down here. Now you can do it this way here if you want with these fingers, which is going to be fret 4, 5, and 5 on strings 3, 4, and 5. Or you could do this way. It depends on how you want to, if you're going to embellish. Okay, then you're going to use this one now to the octave. The octaves are closer now because we're not dealing with the 2nd string, which is a B string. So you just skip a fret, skip a string. Up 2, down 2. Up 2 frets, down 2 strings. That's the new guide note right there for this version of it, which is fret 7, 9, and 10 with the 1st finger, 3rd finger, and 4th finger. This one's not used at all. And then we're going to use the bass note again on the 10th fret. Skip a string, skip a fret. Like I said, up 2, down 2. And then we've got this variation here, which is 12th fret, 12th fret, and 14th fret. Again, barring 12th fret on the middle 2 strings there with the 1st finger, and then 3rd finger goes to the bass. Okay, the final, there's a couple ways you could play the final version. You could do the open type thing here, which is where you've got the 3rd fret, 2nd fret, and then the open G there. And that's enough right there for a G chord, or you could play it up here at the 15th fret. 15, 14, and 12. Okay. Finger fingers 4, 3, and 2. It's just an octave higher the one that's, you know, in the open position right there. Okay. Now find the octave G there. That's going to be a guide note for the next finger position, which is going to be a bar on the 5th fret, 5th fret, and then 7th fret. Fingers 1 and then 3. Then we're going to find an octave of this, which is your 3rd, up 2, down 2, or skip a fret, skip a string, and then it's going to give us this one here, which is our final one, which is on fret 9, 10, 10. Fingers 1, 3, and 4. Or you could do it this way, like if you're used to playing bar chords and things like that. Okay, it's that simple. If you want the guitar chord charts, just make sure you click the link in below. Again, like and subscribe if you like this video. I'm trying to keep it real stripped down so you can get immediate value out of it, and that's why we're not hitting the theory aspects of it very hard. I could probably add another 24 shapes to this if you want, but that might be overkill for most people. So I just want to keep it quick, easy, and I hope you like the videos. Let me know what else you want to see, and in the comments and everything, and we'll see you in the next one.